Hey, welcome back to the shop. We're here on a cold morning out here in Jacksonville, Florida at Jones Technical College, and we're gonna dip back into electrical a little bit. Talk a little bit right now about alternators. So here we have an alternator right here, and it is on a military truck. So a little bit newer. Alternators, basically, when you start the truck, on the inside of an alternator, you get a magnet turning. And that magnet turning creates a magnetic field that then pulses out to a set of wires that are set in a series, creating an alternating current. Well, that alternating current then comes to a point where it's got to be turned into DC current and then pushed into the wires. So here's where it starts to turn into DC current. Well, what happens is that there is a small allowance of AC that's allowed to pulsate, and you can test this allowance. So while the truck is running, you can hook up your multimeter, set it to AC, and test that there is a ripple. Ripple will usually go about 0.1 to 0.2. In testing in the AC, so you'll get a 0.1 to 0.2 volts when it's on. When it's showing that it's really bad, you'll probably get a 0.5 to 0.9 or higher. That will show you that the ripple is really bad. You're having too much bleed through of AC current going into your DC line. All right. So here we are again, working on the same military truck. Now we're on the other side, taking a look at the battery box. Here, these batteries are wired differently than you would normally find on a semi. These batteries are wired as a series parallel circuit. So basically, when they're done in the series, it would add up the volts, but doing as a parallel, the volts are coming out different. Now, they've taken one of the straps off already, but the way it was is that each battery is 6 volts. Now, running it in a series, you get 6 and 6, you would get 12, you get 24 volts. So when you test, if you set your multimeter here for the negative, and then here for the positive, you'd be testing 24 volts. You'd be testing the entire series. But when you go to test the parallel and you go from this to here, you'd be testing the parallel, and it would come off as 12 volts. Then they had another lead that would just hook just one of the batteries that would come off as 6 on the truck. More voltage would mean less amps, less damage to the starter, everything like that. Then you got the 12 volts. The 12 volts will run all the other systems, and then you would have 6 volts for pretty much the memory, things like that, computer components in the truck. So here's a good prime example: series parallel. So it's a series circuit as well as a parallel circuit, and I will kind of outline that. I'll put up a little picture and show exactly how they're all weaved together to make that series parallel circuit. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by the shop. I hope you watch my other videos, and you have a great day.